looks like I'm gonna summon something in here, but how did I do it last time? I forgot. Last time it seemed that it fit quite nicely. Should I do like no, that's not nice. Wait, I should there. That's actually not how did this stand last time? Stay. Yeah, that could stay there. Anyway, I need something like this. One of the things that I have learned in the filmmaking class that I took was be kind to your audiences. It is meant in a sense that give the audience some time to take a breath. So I guess this is my attempt to give you a space to breathe, because I'm always, not always, but almost always, often, no, I think often is medium always, and it's almost always. I'll use that. I'm almost always posting videos that are very long and very, well, I would not call it deep, because sometimes it's not very deep. It's just like bubble gum in the hair kind of vibe, like bubble gum in the hair of a group of girls of different ethnicities kind of vibe. Not really, yeah, I don't think what I'm saying is deep sometimes, but that's not really my goal. I just like my goal is just to explore. So before this becomes like that again, I shall come back to what I am saying, that this is me giving you some space to take a breath. So I'm gonna tell you about the crescent moon that we are having tonight. I mean, it's not very thin eyebrow, because I've also noticed that there's a crescent moon that looks like eyebrow. This one looks like a children's drawing of a boat. I think there's someone walking, but I don't think I'm speaking loud, so I think that's okay. Yeah, the crescent moon is actually nice. That feels so plastic for some reason. Nice. Nice. Crescent moon is nice. No, I didn't mean it as nice, but that's just my brain being lazy or trying to attempt or trying to put on a coat that does not fit it at all. So I will not use adjectives in describing the moon because I'm sure I will fail. So I'm just gonna tell you about what I thought when I saw the moon. The first thing I thought is that I wish I had someone to send the picture of the moon to, and not just a random someone, but like a lover, sort of. And the second thing that came to my mind is that I wonder how the poets would write about me if they ever met me or spent time with me. I wonder how I would be written. I'm actually not sure if I'm comfortable of being observed or noticed the way I notice things about people sometimes. But I'm also curious of what things about me would make a poet pick up their pen and paper. Yeah.